It's been 25 years, but Murphy's childhood bedroom looks hauntingly familiar. Dust motes drifting in the afternoon sunlight, books lining the shelves, that old wind-up trailer on the floor. Yet now she's a grown woman, a scientist trying to solve the gravitational mysteries that could save humanity. Little does she know, the persistent anomalous force mirroring her adult world to this frozen-in-time bedroom is an interstellar message from her long-lost father Cooper, sent across the cosmic wilderness from the other side of a black hole. You see, in the climactic events of Interstellar, Cooper ventures deep into the cosmic abyss, passing through the gravitational singularity at the heart of a spinning black hole. Rather than being obliterated, he finds himself in a strange high-dimensional space, a four-dimensional construct that physicists call a tesseract. This tesseract seems to exist outside of normal space and time, allowing Cooper to access and influence not just the future, but also pivotal moments from his past, all within Murphy's childhood bedroom. He uses this incredible power to communicate with his daughter across the decades through gravitational anomalies, finally revealing his location and setting her on the path to save humanity. But how is such an extraordinary journey even possible? Well, while a static, uncharted black hole would have crushed Cooper with unfathomable tidal forces, the intense spinning of the black hole he entered may have allowed him to cross the event horizon intact, according to certain solutions of Einstein's equations. You see, as Cooper approached this bizarre gravitational vortex, time itself would have slowed to a crawl due to the severe warping of space-time predicted by Einstein's theory of relativity. An hour passing for Cooper might be the equivalent of millions of years ticking by in the outside universe. So in a sense, he was able to transcend the forward march of time. However, to conceive of a space like the tesseract existing inside the singularity of a black hole, we have to consider even more exotic physics. The possibility that our universe is just a membrane or brane hovering within a higher dimensional hyperspace. According to modern string theory and models of quantum gravity, our perception of the universe as three dimensions of space and one of time may be just a projection of a reality with many more spatial dimensions that are imperceptibly small and curled up. Gravity in this context could be leaking in from the surrounding hyperspace. So in this model, instead of being crushed at the singularity, Cooper may have been shunted from our universe's brain into this higher dimensional space beyond, a space where the typical constraints of space and time no longer applied. And here's where the tesseract comes in. Imagine taking a three-dimensional object like a cube and projecting it into a fourth spatial dimension. You would get a strange four-dimensional form with the cube at its center, surrounded by distorted higher-dimensional cube shapes extending outwards. This four-dimensional hypercube is the tesseract that Cooper finds himself in, with Murphy's room at the center. By moving through this structure and projecting parts of it back into our three dimensions, Cooper could access and influence different moments from across the timeline of Murphy's life, like a ghostly presence bending space and time. Of course, the implications of higher dimensional spaces like the tesseract interacting with our universe are truly mind-bending. It suggests our understanding of space and time could be mere projections of a deeper, multidimensional reality. Freely moving through such a space could open the door to unimaginable technological possibilities, perhaps even the mythical power of time travel. As Interstellar illustrates, though, traveling through such cosmic wormholes and higher dimensions may not allow us to change our past, after all, creating paradoxes that violate causality. Rather, Cooper's journey and interactions with the tesseract may have been a predetermined loop, with no definitive beginning or end, following the principles of the Novikov self-consistency theory. So while the premise may strain credulity, the puzzles of quantum gravity, higher dimensions, and the malleability of space and time that Interstellar explores are very much grounded in innovative physics and boundless human imagination. The tesseract may be made up, but it elegantly captures our grandest quest, to transcend the boundaries of what's possible